Yeah. Sometimes it's hard, man. Change the way you are. You know what? I want my heart right now to wake up. Takuwai ushimes chipinga ndichino ndanobona namabot usibe nasiri techeresa zvendabona limuye yodhara ngaso vatu vako lo ndidifuna ndotodzura navo rastaman ratakara vachimbidza ramarataman ndopambana nazvo shango ngondatataman songoratedza mbiru itikedzeni ma nitanyere nazvitu dzibhesheni ma vabeyana mishonga mageteni ma vachira namafora dzibhekeni ma mbiru yangu ivuwe kerekeni ma nitanyere zvibuyi nitamere zvibuyi ndanamera ndobuyi ndachena tichabuyi yala nawe chahuyi ureba zvichaguyi ndanoamba ndoimbesa musindisa tutuyi Sina wakobona naho wokukura wakuruwa na magona please sadibadekanye na mawona usaitas never funa for sure batoviza barwe just walk away fura lingwe siyatari rabera uchirirera ndibona butari usongonendisa mumburo ngamabaribari uturashisha biko ngari uka January sitting on the bench doesn't mean you're not part of the team, you're part of the team but just not part of the skill. Yes it's skinny, no need of shining a gym cause you make good music from a naked heartbeat. Yes you're poor, maybe you even sleep on the street but you don't never reason to sell devil your piece. Don't sell devil your piece.